Assalamu alaikum. Dear student, I hope all of you are very good. And a very good afternoon to all of you. And a Juma Mubarak to all of you also. And today we are going to, that today normally our boss are conducted the class, but he is really very busy person, okay? Lots of work he has to do. That is why sometimes he can't conduct your class. So I'm here today for you, okay? Any kinds of questions, any kinds of problems, I will try to solve it, okay? And I will try to continue our last classes. Okay, so let's start. And first, just let me know, sound, video, everything is okay or not, connections, is it looking clear or not, blurry or not, okay? Just let me know. Just write in the comments everything is okay. And invite your all other friends and everyone to come in the class. All clear, sir. Thank you. Everything is okay. Perfect. All clear, sir. Very good. And of course you have to write your name, role, sections, okay, clearly. Okay, thank you so much. So what I stopped in last class, I think it was in figure 6, 7, 8, right? 8, number 8 I stopped there. Okay, so today I'm just continue from number 9, exercise 10.3, number 9, okay? I will continue from number 9. Okay, so all of you please go to the page number 178, page number 178 of your book, okay? Geometry. Geometry exercise 10.3, and today is 9th, right? 0, 9, 10, 20, 20, Friday. Okay, so I'm starting number 9, okay? So number 9, what given here? Estimate the value of y from each of the following pair of triangle. So you have to measure the value of y. You have to find the value of y. What y here? Y is given, y is hypotenuse of first triangle, and you can take each of the following pair. So you can take any two, okay? For example, I have taken A and B. Not A and B, it's small a is given here. It's okay, just leave it. So first and second picture I have taken. So first one, this one is first, okay? This 6, 8, and hypotenuse is y. And second picture we have given here. Okay, this is 12, 16, and 20. So we have to find the value. We have to find the value of value of y. Estimate the value of y from each of the following pair of triangles. Okay. Look at that here. If we just rename this triangle A, B, C. Okay. This one is D, E, F. No problem, we can rename it. So we can take the ratio of each side, I mean corresponding side. Okay, look at that here. This side is corresponding with this side corresponding with this side, and this side corresponding with this side. Okay, every single triangle has three sides, of course. So here is two triangle, so it has three pair of sides. So we are just matching, or we are just testing which two sides has what is the ratio of which two sides. Okay, let's see what we are doing. So first we are taking BC by EF, BC by EF we are taking. So look at that here, BC is 8 and EF is 16. So here is half, 1 divided by 2. Or if you want, you can take it different way, no problem. EF divided by BC is 16 divided by 18 equals 2. It's also okay, no problem. Either way is, both way is correct. It's not a problem. Okay, so I'm taking just only one way. You can take this first way is okay, or if you want to take this second way, it's also okay, no problem. Okay, it's up to you, it's your choice. So second side, first we have chosen this small triangle, and after that this big triangle. So here is BC divided by EF. So now we are taking AB divided by DE, AB divided by, or AB by DE. Okay, so AB is 6 here and DE is 12. So look at that, here is half also. So two sides ratio is same. So I think, or we are thinking, this next side would be same. Or let's see. Okay, third side is AC divided by DF. Okay, so AC divided by DF equal AC is Y. Okay, and DF is 20. Okay, so look at that, every single pair, every single pair of side ratio is half. Here also ratio is half. So we can take ratio equals half. We can consider ratio equals half. Okay, so if we consider ratio equals half, what will be? So 2y equals 20 and y equals 20 divided by 2 is 10 here. So y equals 10. So therefore y equals 10. Okay, easily you can find the value of y. The same way you can find the value of y in next two pair. Okay, same way you can find. We can see here again. Okay, if you want, I think you can find it out. Okay, just do it. Okay, and let me know the result. Just do it, all of you. Take 2-3 minutes, maximum 2 minutes. Okay, and do it quickly. Do it, and tell me just what is the value of y for second pair. Walaikum assalam. Normally in my class 100 student present, 90 to 100 student, but today is very less number of student attending in the class. Why? Today is Friday, so I think you have no enough work, or you have no nothing. You have no any kinds of appointment even. So you have to attend the class. Only one class in a day, and it was Borosa class, Chairman sir class. So you have to attend the class, all of you. And your attitude looking like that, you are if you come in the class and you are working for us, we are here for helping you. You have to take your right. Okay, why you are not in the class? কেন পারো না? এটা রেশিও নাও বাবা, রেশিও না দেখবা হয়ে গেছে। পারবা না কেন? এটা সিম্পল ব্যাপার। ওই দুটো রেশিও না দেখবা হয়ে যাবে। এটা খুবই সিম্পল, খুবই ইজি ম্যাথ। না পারার কিছু নাই, এটা সিম্পল। জাস্ট তুমি রেশিওটা নিলেই হয়ে যাবে। দেখো এখানে এটা আছে First, look at that here. Okay, this one is 7.5. Okay, this one is, and another triangle, this one indication given here, and another one we have given. Okay, so here is 10 and here is y. So look at that here, and here is 6. So, and here one indication given here. So we can consider just this angle equal to this angle, because indications we have given, this angle is equal to this angle. If you consider, for example, this one is A, B, C, and this one is D, E, F. Okay, so we can match with this side with this side. Okay, so we can take BC divided by EF. We can take just EF, the ratio of two sides, this side and this side. EF is equal to 6 divided by 10 is equal to 3 divided by 5. Okay, if we divide 2 is 3 here, here is 5. So 3 divided by 5. The same we can take this side, I mean AC side, AC by DF is equal to 3 divided by 5. Okay, we can consider like this way, and AC equals here, AC equals 7.5 and DF equals y. So we can take 3 divided by 5. If you multiply easily, you can find the value of y. Okay, so 3y equals 5 into 7.5, and y equal 5 into 7.5 divided by 3. So here 0.25. Okay, 0.25, 2.5. Okay, 2.5. Okay, so 2.5, if we multiply, what it is, 5, 2, 10, 12, 12.5. So the value of y, therefore y equals 12.5. Y equals 12.5. This way you have to find the value. This is very easy. I think this kinds of questions only for MCQ questions, not for CQ. Okay, just they are trying to, they have given this kinds of problem in the exercise, because of you have to develop what is similarity and different kinds of problems to develop the concept of similarity. Actually, based on similarity, not more questions come in the exam. Okay, but you have to know what is similarity. Sometimes it's very important to apply inside of some other maths even. Okay, so you have to have very clear idea, very clear conceptions about the similarity. Okay, so let's go to the number 10. Number 10 is important. Even I can give you number 10 in the exam. Okay, 4 marks. Okay, so you have to practice it. All of you just write in the comment everything is okay or not. Do you understand or not? Understood, sir. My video stopped. Your video stopped. Why your video stopped? फजना तुम्हार কি বলে? Bucci sir, very good. Okay. Understood, sir. Side please, sir. Okay, thank you. Okay, very good. Kamal sir, assalamu alaikum. All of you just concentrate the class and invite your all other friends and everyone to come in the class. Okay, lots of 300 students in our class, 318 students, and in the class very few number of students, especially in Friday. What are you doing? what are you doing? Okay, you have to attend in the class, and you have 10 marks based on attendance. Okay, so let's do next one. Problem 10. Okay, so look at the show that the three triangles in the diagram are similar. Three triangles in the diagram. So look at that here, one diagram we have given. Okay, this is our diagram. Okay, so A, B, C, this is D, E, F, G, D, E, F, and G. This is 3 centimeter this side, and that one is 4 centimeter, and here it is 5 centimeter. Okay, and here is 90-degree sign. This one is perpendicular sign or 90-degree sign or right angle sign. Here we have given. Here it is right angle. Here must be right angle. Okay, so we have to show that the three triangles in the diagram are similar. So we have to show three triangles. So how many triangles inside of it? 3 triangles. Okay, so look at that here. This whole big triangle is one triangle, of course. And another sign I think given here also, it's also 90-degree. Okay, yeah, this one also 90-degree. So whole big triangle we have given one triangle, and here is one, and here is another one. Okay, look at that, here is another one. So in total we have 3 triangles, and we have to show these three triangles are similar. Okay, first we are choosing this one and big one. Okay, so first we are choosing which one? Look at that, in D, E, G, and D, E, G, and D, G, F. D, G, F. Okay, this small one and whole one, big one. Okay, so this small one has this angle is 90-degree. So we can write D, E, G angle is equal to D, G, F angle is equal to 90-degree. Okay, because this D, E, G angle and D, G, F angle is 90-degree. Already we have given the indications given there. This is the 90-degree notations. Okay, and after that, so already we understand that both of these triangles are right angle triangle, and for right angle triangle, if we show that this opposite, this hypotenuse ratio and one side ratio is same, we can say it is similar. Okay, so for this triangle hypotenuse is this one is hypotenuse. Okay, hypotenuse. Okay, this one is hypotenuse, and for big triangle this one is hypotenuse. So we are taking just a ratio of hypotenuse. Okay, DF first is DEG, small triangle. Okay, so we are taking DG with DF. Okay, so DG is 3 centimeter and DF is 5 centimeter. So if we divide 3 divided by 5, what it is? Okay, point here is 0, so it is 0.6. So we can write it is 0.6, right? 0.6. It's okay, ratio you can write this way, 0.6. Okay, so already we get this one is hypotenuse, ratio of hypotenuse. We have to find another one side only. So one side, if we consider, look at that here. If we consider this side, this one is perpendicular. Okay, and for that I think we have given here, I think we have given 5 4. Yes. Okay. So look at that here. This is hypotenuse, and we need to find out another side. So, but there is no side measurement we have given. For this triangle, only one side measurement we have given. Okay. So we cannot find another side. How we can prove it? Okay. These kinds of problems I also did in another class. Okay. So what you have to do? First, you have tried this is 90 degree, and you have to put it HS condition, but it is not possible to apply HS condition here. So what we have to do now? We have to look some other conditions also for applying here. Okay. So look, already one angle we have found. So another angle, look at that here. This angle is the common angle for both of these triangle. This small triangle, this angle here, and for whole big triangle, this angle also here. So inside of this angle we can see it is two angles here, because a big triangle, this is FDG. Okay, and small triangle, for this triangle we can write EDG. So we can write EDG is equal to EDG angle is equal to this angle for small triangle, for this triangle, and for this triangle we can write it is FD. We can write FDG triangle. It is same angle. Okay, common angle. We can write common. We can write common angle. Okay. So now we have seen that this is one angle here, and here also another angle. So we can write by double A condition. By double A condition, we can say DEG triangle similar with DGF triangle. Okay. So small triangle similar with big triangle. Now we have to show these three triangles are similar with each other. So now we are going to show this triangle, this triangle similar with whole big triangle. Okay, not with small triangle. Okay, so let's see. Just write in the comments everything is okay or not. All of you just going with me or not. Okay, is it understandable what I am telling to you, all of you? Okay, so now we are taking this triangle. First we have taken this small triangle, and now we are taking this medium triangle and big triangle. Okay, so we can write EFG or GEF, no problem. First we are taking GEF and big triangle, this one is DGF. Okay, and both of this triangle we can say this 90 degree always same, because three triangles are right angle triangle. So easily we can write GEF. Easily we can write GEF angle is equal to DGF equals 90 degree, and okay, and EFG angle is equal to DFG angle. Why? Because it's also common angle. Okay, so we can say by double A condition, okay, GEF similar with DGF. Okay, so look at that. We have shown this big triangle similar with the smaller one and medium one. Okay, this big one similar with smaller one and medium one. So we can say the smaller one and medium one also similar with each other. We can say very easily. Okay, logically we can say, for example, for example here, look at that. One just indication given here. For example, it is 5 feet 4 inches. Okay, 5 feet 4 inches. For example, one measurement given here, 5 feet 4 inches. Okay, if one student stand up here and say, yes, I am 5 feet 4, and another student stand up here and his measurement also, height also 5 feet 4. So we don't need to both of these students stand up in same place. Beside of each other. Okay, it's corona time, so we don't need to just put both boys. Okay, both of you just stand up together. It's no need. Okay, if we just have one scale and if we measure, okay, your height is 5 feet 4 and another one height is 5 feet 4, we can say both are equal height. The same way, if we just compare with first, small one with this bigger one, and second one, medium one with bigger one, and both of this triangle similar with big triangle, we can say the small triangle, small one and medium one also similar with each other. Logically we can say. So we can write these things here. Okay, we have seen okay, small triangle. We have seen small. We are just writing DEG triangle. We have seen DEG triangle similar with DGF triangle, and EFG triangle similar with DGF triangle. So we can say or write, we can write DEG triangle similar with EFG triangle. Okay, therefore DEG triangle similar with DGF triangle similar with EFG triangle. I hope all of you understood. Okay, so we have shown three triangles are similar with each other. First, we have shown this smaller one with this whole big one, and second, we have shown this medium one with whole big one, and we have applied this double A condition, because here only two measurement we have given, this one also, but it's not possible to apply HS theorem here, HS condition here. It's not possible, because for HS we have to have at least hypotenuse of both triangles ratio, and we have to have this ratio of another at least one side. So we haven't here enough information, so we can't apply just HS condition here. We apply double A condition. So look at that. If you don't understand, I will just try to explain it again. Okay, all of you just write in the comments everything is okay or not. All of you just write in the comments everything is okay or not. Clear, sir. Okay. Repeat please. একজনে বলছে repeat. কি repeat করব বলো? আচ্ছা আমি একটু বলে দিচ্ছি, দেখো ছোটো যে ট্রায়াঙ্গেলটা আছে এখানে সবচেয়ে স্মলেস্ট ট্রায়াঙ্গেল, এখানে তিনটা ট্রায়াঙ্গেল আছে, একটা হচ্ছে ডিইজি, আর একটা হচ্ছে ইএফজি, আর একটা হচ্ছে ডিজিএফ। ওকে, তিনটা ট্রায়াঙ্গেল আছে। সবচেয়ে স্মল যে ট্রায়াঙ্গেলটা আছে এই ট্রায়াঙ্গেলের সাথে সবচেয়ে বিগ ট্রায়াঙ্গেল মিনস ডিজিএফ, দিস বিগ ট্রায়াঙ্গেল, this big triangle also big one also, a right angle triangle, and every single triangle here right angle triangle. So we can apply HS condition if we have enough information. If we haven't, we can't apply. Okay, for HS conditions we have, at least we have to have ratio of hypotenuse and ratio of at least one side, but we haven't. We have checked here. Okay, we haven't. That is why we apply these double A conditions. Why you don't understand? Look at that here, the smaller one is 90 degrees same. I think all of you understood. And this angle is a common angle. This angle holding this big, this angle holding this big triangle and small triangle also. That is why this is a common angle. And then look at that here, because this angle in big triangle and also is in this medium triangles also. That is why I have written here this common angle. Salma or one girl have written here, you don't understand. I think you are clear. So write in the comments, do you understand or not? Yeah, angle, that's good. Okay. No side needed. Yeah, Nazrul, no side needed. Very good. Okay. Yeah, DF also hypotenuse, Baba. এই যে hypotenuse, এই যে লেখছো বিশ্বজিৎ, DF টা hypotenuse, এই যে DF টা hypotenuse, এই যে বিগ ট্রায়াঙ্গেলের এটা হচ্ছে 90 ডিগ্রি, এটা হচ্ছে 90 ডিগ্রি, তাহলে DF টা hypotenuse হবে না? বুঝতে পেরেছো? এই যে এই বিগ ট্রায়াঙ্গেলটা তুমি যদি নাও তাহলে এটা কি হাইপোটেনাস হবে না? বুঝতে যাচ্ছে? তুমি যদি এই ট্রায়াঙ্গেলটা এখানে আলাদা করে নাও, ধরো এই ট্রায়াঙ্গেলটা নিলা ডিই, এই যে ডিইজি, তুমি এটাকে আবার এখানে নিলা, তাহলে এটা হচ্ছে 90 ডিগ্রি, তাহলে 90 ডিগ্রি অপোজিট সাইডটা কি? এটা হাইপোটেনাস হবে না? এটা অবশ্যই হাইপোটেনাস হবে। ঠিক আছে বাবা, বিশ্বজিৎ, ইউ হ্যাভ রিটেন দিস নট হাইপোটেনাস, দিস ওয়ান অফ কোর্স হাইপোটেনাস। Understood, sir. Thank you. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay, this one is hypotenuse. Okay, for example, if you separate this small triangle, for example, small triangle here, if you take small triangle, for example, here, okay. So look at that. This one is 90 degree. This one is 90 degree. This one is hypotenuse. This one is hypotenuse, and this one is hypotenuse. Okay, they have given this different way. Okay, so we have to arrange it and we have to understand what it is actually, how we have to apply. Yeah, very good sir. অনেক কি বলে, অনেক হার্ড। আরে বাবা কি হার্ড। Understood, sir. Okay, all of you written understood. That's really good. Okay, so I think okay, so after 10 I'm going to 11 is very easy. I think it's no indication, nothing is given, just we have to matching which side is looking like which side. Okay, so look at that here, I'm erasing this part. Eleven is nothing, just we have to match. Look at that here, one figure we have given look like that, one figure we have given this P AX and then PT, then another figure we have given look like that. This way in the book, this is B BFGH, BFGK, BFGHK. Okay, identify the matching angle and matching side of the quadrilateral and verify whether the quadrilaterals are similar or not. Okay, identify the matching angle. So we can say, look like that. This side is this side looking like this side. Okay, this side is looking like this side. This side is looking like this side. That is why we can say this TX matching with KG. Okay, that's it. Just you have to match, and they are not given any kinds of measurement here, so we can't prove it. It is a similar or not. For similarity, for proving the similarity, we have to have measurement. We have to show the exactly. It's my opinion. If you want to show these two triangles are similar, at least we have to apply, or we have to show that we can apply at least one conditions of the 4 conditions we have given in the book. If we can't apply any kinds of condition, we can't say it is similar or not. We can't say it is similar because this measurement is not given. Just a shape looking like that, looking like the TX is looking like KG and this angle is looking like this angle. It is looking like, দেখতে মনে হচ্ছে আর কি এরকম, কিন্তু তুমি অ্যাপ্রোপ্রিয়েট মেজারমেন্ট যদি না হয়, তুমি যদি বের না করতে পারো যে এই দুইটা সাইডের রেশিও হচ্ছে এটা, ওই দুইটা সাইডের রেশিও হচ্ছে এটা, তুমি অ্যাপ্রোপ্রিয়েটলি বের করতে না পারলে তুমি বলতে পারবে না যে বোথ অফ দিস ট্রায়াঙ্গেল অর বোথ অফ দিস কোয়াড্রিলেটারালস আর সিমিলার। ওকে, এটা আমরা বলতে পারবো না। এটা আমার ওপিনিয়ন হচ্ছে ইটস নট পসিবল টু সে ইট ইজ সিমিলার। ওকে, উই ক্যান জাস্ট সে ওকে দে আর লুকিং লাইক ম্যাচিং। ফর এক্সাম্পল PTX angle is looking like BKG angle, matching with BKG angle. Okay, এই অ্যাঙ্গেলের সাথে এখন ওকে, সো তুমি জাস্ট এটাকে ধরে যদি এভাবে উল্টে দাও, এরকম যদি করে ফেলো, ফর এক্সাম্পল এই তুমি যদি কেটাকে এখানে নিয়ে আসো, KG, তারপর বিটাকে এখানে নিয়ে যাও, এখানে বিটাকে নিয়ে গেলা এখানে, ওকে, আর হচ্ছে এটাকে এখানে রাখলা, তাহলে কি হবে, এফটা চলে যাবে এখানে, এফটা হচ্ছে এখানে চলে গেল। তো তখন এই অ্যাঙ্গেলটার সাথে অ্যাঙ্গেলটা ম্যাচ করবে, এই অ্যাঙ্গেলটার সাথে এই অ্যাঙ্গেলটা ম্যাচ করবে। ওকে, এই সাইড, এই কর্নার সাথে এই কর্নার, এন্ড এটার সাথে এটা এই অ্যাঙ্গেলটা ম্যাচ করবে। কিন্তু ম্যাচ করলে ইটস লুকিং লাইক, দেখতে মনে হচ্ছে এই অ্যাঙ্গেলটা ওই অ্যাঙ্গেলটার মতো, কিন্তু এক্স্যাক্টলি তুমি বলতে পারবে না। এক্স্যাক্টলি তখনই বলা যাবে যখন তোমাকে এই অ্যাঙ্গেলটার মেজারমেন্ট দেওয়া থাকবে, অথবা দুইটা সাইডের যদি আমাদেরকে এরকম দেওয়া থাকতো, যেমন এটাকে জাস্ট উল্টায় আমি এটা লেখার চেষ্টা করলাম, আমার মনে হয় অনেকে তোমরা গুলিয়ে ফেলতেছো, গুলিয়ে ফেলার কিছু না, এটা একটু উল্টানো দেওয়া আছে, এটাকে জাস্ট আমি ঠিক করে লিখলাম এটার সাথে ম্যাচ করার জন্য। ওকে, এটাকে জাস্ট উল্টায় আমি এটার মতো করে লেখার চেষ্টা করলাম আর কি। ওকে, তুমি এটা লিখতে পারবে, এই অ্যাঙ্গেলটা ম্যাচিং উইথ অ্যাঙ্গেল, এখন তুমি এটা লিখতে পারবে AXT ম্যাচিং উইথ FGK, এটার সাথে লিখতে পারবা। ইউ ক্যান রাইট লাইক দিস, but you can't say both of this triangle. Okay, we can't say both of this quadrilateral are similar because no measurement, because there is no measurement given us, no measurement given. Okay, that's it. So the questions was similar or not? So it is not similar. It's my view, it's not similar. Okay, so 12, number 12, write in the comments everything is okay or not, or you are feeling everything is okay. আজকে কি ক্লাস ছিল নাকি, কি বলে আজকে কি ক্লাস ছিল নাকি? আজকে ফ্রাইডে না বাবা, আজকে তো বড় স্যার একটা ক্লাস থাকে স্যার। আজকেও ক্লাস, আজকে এই যে আমাদের স্যারের ক্লাস ছিল না, আমাদের চেয়ারম্যান স্যারের ক্লাস ছিল, তো ওই ক্লাসটা আমি নিচ্ছি। স্যার একটু বিজি আছেন। ওকে, এভরিথিং ইজ ওকে। ওকে, বুঝে গেল? বুঝতে পেরেছো সবাই সিমিলারিটি কীভাবে কাজ করে? স্যার শান্তি দীপ্তি কি বলে, কিন্তু আসলে অনেক ডিফারেন্স আছে। কি বলবো? ক্লিয়ার স্যার? ওকে, আচ্ছা এখন চলো আমরা তাহলে পরেরটা করি, পরের প্রবলেমটা। Okay. Number 12. Number 12, what it is? A stick of length 1 meter cast a shadow of 0.4 meter. Okay, when placed in the ground. Okay, in the same time, if a vertically standing tree cast a shadow of length 7 meter, what is the height of the tree? Okay, this is very simple. Okay, I think you have done lots of problem like this in class 5 even. Okay, just one stick here. Okay, one stick here, that is 1 meter length. Okay, and its shadow is 0.4 meter. Its shadow here, it is 0.4 meter. It is 0.4 meter. This shadow here. Okay, one tree here, one tree. Okay, just consider this is a tree. Just consider this is a tree. It is not exactly a tree. Anyway, just consider this is a tree. Okay, and shadow here is height of this tree is 7 meter. Is 7 meter. Okay, total height 7 meter, and what? Shadow is 7 meter. Sorry, shadow is 7 meter. Shadow is 7 meter. So shadow of this tree is 7 meter. We have to find the height. What is height here? Okay, h equals what? We have to find the value of h. H equals what? That is the question. We have to find the value of h. Okay, look at that here. It's very simple. If height is 1 meter, shadow is 0.4. If height is 7 meter, what will be the shadow? What will be the height? Okay, so we can write if shadow because if you stand any place, your shadow and the trees shadow of the trees is similar, because of your shadow is comes from, your shadow occurred for the sun, and the tree's shadow also occurred for the sun, so it goes to same ratio. Okay, if you have very good height, your shadow also this same way, it would be length, it would be short, it depends. Okay, and this same way this tree's shadow also same. Okay, তুমি যে কোনো একটা জায়গায় ধরো দাঁড়িয়ে আছো, তোমার যে একটা শ্যাডো হবে, যে রেশিও তোমার শ্যাডোটা হবে, একটা গাছ হোক, একটা স্টিক হোক, একটা কিছু হোক, ওকে, তার শ্যাডোটাও সেম রেশিও হবে। Okay, if shadow is 4, okay, so length is 1 meter. If shadow is 0.4 meter, okay, I'm writing again. I'm just taking it little left. If okay, if the length of the shadow, if the length of shadow